Well, get ready for the next big thing in your shoes. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. This is pretty cool. Move over, Crocs. Welcome, Scintillate. These aren't your average shoes. They're the world's first AI-designed and 3D printed shoe. That's right, artificial intelligence is now your personal shoe designer. Here is how it works. The Scintillate team uses a thing called Midjourney AI to create the basic shape, and then an artist sketches it out. Well, that sketch gets fed into a system made for artists called Viscom AI, which turns it into a 3D model. Finally, another AI adds those funky patterns you see. Well, before you buy them, you can scan your feet with your phone. Yep, both of them in case one's bigger than the other. The result? A custom-fit shoe that is as unique as your Tootsies. These futuristic kicks come in 5 colors and will set you back $150. Pricey maybe, but can you really put a price on being a trendsetter? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter, it's easy to sign up at cyberguy.com and click the red button.